Three different cordless battery-powered vacuums. Going to try to quickly explain the difference between these three. I'm going to start over here on the right side with this white one. This is the Shark SV1106 Navigator Freestyle Bagless Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. That's a mouthful. The one in the middle, the Shark IX141, is also battery-powered, and this one is also battery-powered. And you can pronounce that however you want to. That's the name brand of this one, B-U-T-U-R-E. All right, so this one, with the name is hard to pronounce, is 55-minute runtime, which is excellent. If I've looked at a lot of battery vacuum cleaners, that is an excellent runtime. Other thing that's pretty cool about it is you turn it on with the button down here. It has a digital display, so it's going to tell you your battery power here, and then also you can slide it to increase the power, okay? So that is really cool. Good sized dust cap here, which is nice. The Shark also has a good sized dust cap. The Shark IX141, that is. And this Shark Navigator Freestyle probably has the biggest dust collection area, the dust cap. Now, this one's a little different. This Navigator Freestyle, not good or bad. It fits in the little port to charge it. But it has a button here that you're going to turn it on with, and it has two different settings. So it's a carpet setting and a bare floor setting. The carpet setting is going to turn the brush head faster. One criticism I would have on all three of these as I compare them with other vacuums I've used is the head on them is not that great as far as not getting hair tangled up in it. So when you see these brush rollers, you can see here there's hair tangled up in there, and so sometimes I have to take scissors and cut the hair out and things like that. So if you've got long hair or pet hair, that's something to consider. Similar head on this one. This one is a little bit different look. Well, these two are going to be easy to put an attachment on there. The attachments can attach down here at the bottom, or there, and they do come with attachments, or you can attach the attachments up here and make something really short for cleaning out a car and couch cushions, things like that. You can see here you can adjust the height on this one depending on how tall you are. I mean, there is something great about the bagless cordless vacuum cleaners. They're very easy to get into tight spaces. This one is probably not going to fit in tight spaces quite as much because it has more of a traditional vacuum cleaner look. Still, even with it, I can fit it under this low to furniture, which is pretty impressive. These are great. I've compared Shark vacuums, Dyson vacuums, and a lot of different other brand vacuum cleaners. Hopefully this video has been helpful in explaining to you some of the differences.